So if you'd like to learn how to rank your videos on YouTube, like this one, 1, 2, and 3 on the first page of YouTube, and I'm going to show you exactly how this works. Let me hit refresh real quick. 1, 2, and 3. 3 different videos. This is the short for 113. This is the short for 30. Sorry, it's not showing all this. 128. And this is a short, long form video for 1455 with the same name. 3 different assets, okay? And then there's number 4 would be my actual YouTube page, okay? We'll show you how to do it. And it's not just for HBA. You can rank multiple, make multiple keywords, multiple businesses, whatever your primary business will tell you exactly what to name each video, okay? So you base it on your particular program. And we'll show not only you how to do this, but we'll show your people and your people's people. All of our bonuses are generational. The only bonus that's different is our traffic bonus, and I'll get into it. But I want to get into the actual main part of my conversation, which is owned assets, okay? Owned land, not rented land, okay? Rented land is like social media, like Facebook, Instagram, etc. Sovereign Exit Strategy, the Day 14 Manifesto for Victory, Part 2, okay? Give me a second, I'll scroll down. Sovereign Exit Strategy, the Midnight Ghost Sale, and the 1700-Day Fuse. Okay, so why am I reading this blog? Because in 2026 and beyond, search engines are smart. Even like Facebook is watching what you're looking for on Google. They're spying on you. Okay, if you've ever searched for something you want proof, you ever search for something on Google, and then Facebook starts offering you this, giving you ads for those things. Okay, that's proof. Okay, they're listening and they're watching. They're reading what you're saying, and they're also listening for what you say. So why would I want to take advantage of that and get 2 or 3 times the traffic with the same page doing the same work one time? So let's get away from the technical meat for a moment and talk about the reality of what happens when the engine actually turns over. Stay to the end because there's going to be a lot of golden nuggets in here. Exactly. 14 days ago at 12 a.m. midnight, it's longer than this. This is when I wrote the actual article. I woke up to a notification on my phone to an amateur. It was just another email. To Sovereign Architect, it was a confirmation of the entire system. A person had gone all in. At that precise moment, my dashboard only showed the initial $35 entry. 25 for the builder and 10 for the tactical daily tactical hub, which is what I call the Miracle Morning on steroids, the Let's Go app. I didn't recognize the name, so I did what any veteran would do. I went into the logs. What I found was a master class in Evergreen Authority. This individual hadn't just clicked a link on a whim. He'd been watching my videos. He'd been reading my blog posts from weeks ago. He was emailing me asking how to claim his bonuses. Told me he already joined me. Again, I didn't know this person. I don't know any of the people that have joined me in the past or are currently on my team, because that's the power of owned assets. Okay, people read your blogs. People search for these terms. People watch your YouTube videos or your shorts, and then they join you. One-time work, multiple assets. Okay, multiple income. Fast forward 14 days later to the minute that person's trial ended. He stayed. His account billed the $125 for the premium sale, and a $100 commission hit my account instantly. That is the Sovereign Exit Strategy in action. $100 commission every single month for that level. So it's actually $128 per person per month at that level. You do the work once to build the asset, and that asset creates a 14-day fuse that leads to automatic residual commissions. While the corporate swap is busy trading hours for pennies, the architect is harvesting the fruits of his infrastructure. Sovereign Exit Strategy, we train your people, the time freedom secret. The biggest thief of your life isn't the RS, it's maintenance. Most people are terrified to succeed in this industry because they have a virgin or newbie mindset about leadership. They think that if they recruit 100 people, they have to spend 100 hours a week babysitting them. They trade a 9-to-5 boss for 100 mini bosses who will all have your cell phone number. With the Sovereign Exit Strategy and our team, we have entered a solution to the management trap. We train you, your people, and your people and their people's people. We provide the air support. We run the high-level strategy calls. We provide the technical deep dives and the bonuses that make you look like the hero from day one. This allows you to stay in the role of the architect, focused on expansion and vision while we handle the education. You aren't teaching men to fish one by one. You're installing a commercial fishing fleet that runs on a collective autopilot. It's how you achieve true time freedom. If your business requires you to be on Zoom 24/7, you don't own a business, you own a very demanding hobby. We build architects so you remain sovereign. Sovereign exit strategy, the $35 entry to a $3,200 freedom floor. Okay, let's look at the math with the cold hard eyes of a 20-year veteran. Sovereign exit strategy is built on the most aggressive commission structure in the digital world, the 80% residual. To get the keys to this machine, you don't need a $10,000 franchise fee, you need a $35 handshake. The funnel builder, $25. This is your foundation. This is how you stop being a digital nomad and start owning the land you stand on. The Let's Go app, $10. This is your tactical cockpit. If you aren't willing to invest $10 in your own daily discipline, you aren't ready to lead. Okay, you can get any of these bonuses besides the Traffic Boss package, no matter what level, whether you're the 10, the 25, or the 125, which starts with the 14-day free trial unless you want to pay right away. It's up to you. We give you the heavy artillery, the premium traffic conversion engine for 2 weeks at zero cost. When you follow the 28-day asset cycle on your first day after the trial, you earn $100 per month in residual from the premium tier alone. 2 people, your business is now free. You're officially off the grid regarding overhead. 25 people all in, you're generating $3,200 a month in residuals. Stop and think about that. 25 people in a world of 8 billion, you only need to find 25 architects to create a $38,000 a year residual for. That is a mortgage, a car payment, and your groceries covered by a machine that works while you sleep. That is the sound of the 9-to-5 death rattle. Sovereign exit strategy, frequent asked question, the shield. I'm already in another program. Why do I need this? Good question. This is a system overlap. You don't have to quit your primary business. Use the sovereign exit strategy to build your custom brand and use the 80% residuals to fund your marketing for your primary venture. It's the engine that feeds all the other fires. Okay, your people will be trained on autopilot too. And their people. What if I'm a tech person? That's why we train your people for you. The funnel builder is drag and drop, and the strategy is laid out day by day. We remove the tech stack so you can focus on the results. Matter of fact, you join my team, we'll build your own custom branded funnel for your primary business. Sound pretty cool? And we'll give the 150-day follow-up email series. Sovereign exit strategy, the final ultimatum. The 14-day cycle is over. The 28 days of building are done. You're now standing at the crossroads of a sovereign exit strategy. You have 2 choices. You can close this page, walk away, back into the corporate swamp, and keep writing your life to someone who views you as a line item on a spreadsheet. You can keep hoping that someday things will change while doing nothing to change the architecture of your life. Or you can make the wizard's choice. For $35, you can claim your own land. You can start the 14-day fuse that leads to $3,200 a month in residuals. We provide the air support. We provide the training. We provide the community of architects who refuse to lose. Join me, and you'll get my bonuses for HBA, okay? My bonuses are duplicatable, generational. I give them to you as your potential sponsor. You give them to me. You give them to your people as their sponsor. They give them to their people as their sponsor, and you look like the hero and the guru. Okay, and you get your time freedom back. Okay, the war ends when you decide to own the terrain. Click the link below. Go all in. Secure funnel builder, and then your Let's Go app. Start your premium trial. Stay sovereign. Okay, now I want to show you something. This is 71. It doesn't rank, right? It needs to be a 75, and this shows you exactly what you do to do rank math. It's a tool that comes in here in this blog platform. Okay, so I already have it going. So I want to click on, you see this is 6 errors, right? Link out to external resources. So we're going to do that. And watch, we're looking for 75 or better. So I can't see it. So I'm going to copy this page. And I'm going to paste it, right? Nothing's hard, nothing difficult. This is telling you exactly what you have to do, okay? Notice I'm at 77. I could publish, okay? If I wanted to. And I'm going to add another one, right? The bonuses, right? We train your people. Okay, so we're going to go find that. and we're going to go to bonuses, right? Give me a second. I need that link. Right here. See, again, I work hard, not smart, not hard. Okay, I just typed in a B, and it brought it up already. This is not hard. This is not difficult. We train you with videos that are like Netflix. Okay, you play, you pause, you rewind, play again. Okay. It went to 82. Okay, not hard. Okay, I'm covering these red things. My URL is a little too long. Okay, so I'm going to 81 characters. So let's go over there. Oh, that's right here. Okay. So it's a little too long, right? So if we took off this, okay, I'm not going to take it off. I'm going to cut and paste it. Now look. Let's see if it goes. Okay, it's not. I'm frozen, right? I don't know. It's not loading. Anyways, that's about how you do it, okay? And again, we teach you how to do this. We'll meet you, my upline, who will meet you over and over again, Monday through Friday, and help you build your primary business live, okay? He's a top 6 earner in multiple companies. He'll train you, he'll train your people, he'll train their people, and he'll train their people, okay? Generational bonuses, even if you're only at the $25 level, okay? And we have so many bonuses. Another one, you can get up to $1,500 free instant commissions to whatever payment processor you want, okay? And you didn't have to pay anything for this. This normally costs potentially anywhere from $7 one time to $3,000, okay? And you get the level, and you can start earning. Now, even if you're not at that level, you get those commissions. If somebody joins you at the $3,000 level, you start for free with one of our bonuses. You get $1,500 instantly, you know, to your whatever payment you want. Okay, payment processor you choose. Okay, I chose like 12 different ones. If this sounds good to you, if you want to get started, 775-460-7938. Text me, 775-460-7938. Say, hey, JJ, I want to get in. I want to get started. I watched your HBA video. And let's get going. Let's get busy with it. And if you can just get 24 people, 2 people a month, okay, over a course of a year, that's $3,072 before fees, okay, straight to your bank account, okay. Imagine that with just 24 people, okay, and you could start for $35. Get your first 2 sales in 2 weeks potentially, and then no income disclaimer. I'm not promising you anything. There's some people that earn 0 with this. It's not a scam. It's been paying 10 years, paid the most residual income money in the last 10 years of any program, okay? Get started. Get moving. Take action. Get out of your comfort zone. Nothing ever grows there, okay? It's a beautiful place, but nothing ever grows there. This is JJ Saleh, aka John Saleh, aka your friendly neighborhood Saleh man. Don't delay, give a J today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.